Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to sell. Celsius network is a very stable crypto. If you look here, last year it was at 33 cent and now it's going to $7. And the interesting thing is the big fall what we have here at the Bitcoin price. It's not so affected Celsius network. You can see at the 11th of April the fall is beginning at the Bitcoin price. You can see here mid of April, and then we have the second fall at mid of May. Yeah, and interesting constellation. Mid of April, first fall. Mid of May, the second fall, and we are coming to mid of June. Maybe there's a third fall. Yeah, interesting constellation here. So you can see here mid of April, first fall, mid of May, the second fall, and this is not so much. If you look here, first fall, second fall, and the third fall. I think the third fall will in this situation, yeah. And this is a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. The price will explode to the top side. It's very interesting here. Normally, other cryptos are going very much to the downside, but here we have the situation. This is not the situation that the price could fall to the downside. Let me check one thing here. If we let me check. We have here maybe the situation that we are going to 20,000 here. So if this happened, let me check. It could possible. I have to look to the RSI that the price could fall very hard to the downside. The reason is if you look to this formation here, you can see the RSI is here 11. We have here 22, 18, and we are at the moment at 66. This is now bull run, yeah. This is no conditions for a bull run. I think we could fall to the downside very hard, yeah. If you look to this formation, I think let me check if we give me a little time here to check this. The price is coming here. Make this move. And this was our high price at the April, and now we're going to the downside here. And this move here, this is now bull run. That means we have to go to the downside. And if I look to this year, then I would say that this year could go to these levels. Yeah, because if you look here, it would be no make sense to stay here at these levels. But we have here also good signs. So I'm not sure about this if we could go this formation here or that we could go to these levels back. Yeah. You can see we have here also the trend to the downside. So the trend is looking to the downside. Yeah. Also here we have here the situation to fall to the downside, but the trend here is very bad. If you look here, we fall from $8 to $4, and this is 50% nearly. Yeah, and if you look to this RSI, the price is going to the top side, but this is a very negative formation. So if we say okay, we could go to the downside, then I would say that we could make this trend here, yeah, or follow the trend here to the downside. So one opportunity is to stay here at these levels, $4, or if coming very bad, we could fall to the downside. But more like I would say this, that we stay out of this negative channel, yeah, and make our moves in that way here. But be careful here. This is a crypto. It's stable, but you can see it's coming from 30 cent, and such moves, yeah, okay, the price is going to the top side, but we are, even if the price of Bitcoin is going so much to the downside, it's also going to 50%. And if we say, okay, from this level to this level, then I would say that we could lose again $4. So then is the right time here. And if this is happening after the fall, we could make a good base here at these levels, and then we could move to the top side like that. Yeah. Then we have to look after that the rising, that we could fall again here. Yeah. And this is a good constellation, so I think we could go again to the top side. So if you want more, please come in the Wealth Exclusive Club. I can show you the end targets here. And I would say here at the moment we are living here very danger, because this here is not double run. This is a pattern that show us, okay, the price will go very hard to the downside. I would say more like this here. To these levels, and then the price could make this move to the top side here. So have a nice day. I go to the next crypto. Please, if you have questions, please write this in the comment field. Have a nice day.